Yep. And then you got turn the PTO on. Can you turn the PTO on? Oh yeah. All right.